Hey guys, well it's Sunday Funday, and well, I've got the old Wagon in the garage, and I'm gonna play with her a bit today. Got a few things I need to get done on her. I'm gonna be yarding the engine and transmission out of it. Probably not today, but I'm gonna get started on a few things. Just a few things I want to fix up. Like I said, I got a whole new wiring harness for it. I got some Dakota digital gauges, but they're not digital. They look like the factory gauges that I'm putting in the car with the tack and everything built in. So I'm doing that. Like I say, the wiring harness is original, so we're putting new harness in. The engine itself is brand new, but it's got a leak at the pan and the timing cover. So I'm just going to yank the engine right out of it and clean that up. So that's what's going on. So I'm going to be working on that. The Model A. For all you guys, you're wondering, the Model A is not over here in its spot. I can kind of show you here. It's just a, look at, normally she sits over here. It's just a big empty spot. I don't believe I have the key on me for the body shop, but she's over in the body shop end over here. Unless it's open, which, oh, this isn't open. There we go. Okay. It's probably not. I don't know. See, I can already tell the lights are out. So it's not open. I don't know if... No, I don't even know if you can see through. Oh, there she is. You can kind of see her in there. Wheels and tires off. She's all kind of... Anyway, you can see there's the doors and stuff on the sawhorses. She's all prepped, ready to go. She's all prepped, ready to go for paint. So, if all goes good, I'm going to drag it over to the booth, because like I said, I don't have a paint booth here. I do 15 minutes up the road. I'm going to drag it over to the paint booth this Thursday. If it's a downpour of rain, I won't be taking it, but if it's nice out, I'll be taking it over there. So she'll be getting painted over the weekend. That's the plan. And if not, well, then we'll do it the following weekend. We'll just go by weather. So yeah, I'm going to work on the wagon a bit today. Not too much to show you. Did a little cleaning up around the yard here. Kind of finally cleaned off some of the concrete. It's getting pretty dirty, but dragged out this old engine block. This is an old 283 engine block. I got a gentleman coming to pick that up today. He just wants to do something with his grandson, rebuild an engine, and he said this is priced right. My grandson and I can play with this and build it, and that's cool. I've got the intake and valve covers and all that shit laying around the corner for him, so he's on his way over. So drag that out, and yeah, that's about it. There's the intake there and the valve covers, so not too much new and exciting. Just trying to tidy up around here. There's my last bit of snow. There it is. Here's my last lump of bloody snow right there. Damn shit. You watch, I cleaned all this up yesterday. I spent Saturday cleaning all this up. You watch now, it'll probably snow on me and make a mess again. Anyway, so, so I got to go down and pick up a few things at the chrome shop for the Model A here tomorrow on my third Monday off of my semi-retirement. So I got some stuff I'm going to do. So I might take a couple little bits and pieces from this car down to the chrome shop. Just a couple little pieces I'd like to have redone. But with that being said, I don't know where I'm going to start here. I don't even know what I'm going to do. I haven't got a clue. But I'm going to get started on her. We're going to do something. So hey, away we go. Okay, well, I've decided where I'm going to begin. I'm going to begin with taking the front bumper and all this shit off. Get it out of here. I don't want to make the car not running today. I want to keep it so it's still running. So I just want to get everything loosened off, and then I'll tackle it later. I need it running right now because I have to move it around the yard. I don't feel like pushing it. But by next week, there'll be a car gone, and I'll have more room in the back bays here for this car. So then I can get to the mechanical end. But for now, I'm going to take off as much as I can without disenabling it. So what the hell? Got the oldies on. Get myself a Coca-Cola. I wonder if there's any Coca-Cola left. You know, here's something. Go to the grocery store. I've been buying these glass bottles of Coca-Cola. Now, we all know, I don't know, for Canadians anyway, it's not the cheapest. They charge like $6.99 for 6 of them. Go there the other day, grab some, or I think I'm going to grab some. $11.99. They went up $5. overnight. I get the things are going up, but a $5 increase? What the fuck? Come on. Anyway, luckily for us, we got 2 left. Got to savor them. So I'm taking one. That's it. Got lots of other pop, cream soda, iced tea, orange crush, A&W root beer. I got my water down there. And then we got the wobbly pops down below. We got the Corona, which I'm excited over because I am heading to Mexico here pretty quick. Mazatlan. Soon, very soon. Anyway, let's get back to the car and see where we get. Well, we got a bumper off. Look at how many years of dirt and shit. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Probably going to lose 2 pounds in dirt. Be cheaper on gas yet. Anyway, the bumper's off. I'm going to go for the grill next. I'm going to call them the eyebrows. Not worried about the headlight rings or any of that. Going to get that off of there. And yeah, not so bad. It actually came off pretty good. I mean, original old bolts. But hit them with the impact and boom. Got to make sure I mark everything how it goes. Of course, I'm going to take this bumper. I'm not plating it or nothing. It needs plating, but I just can't afford that for this year. So I'm going to polish up really nice. But I am going to take all the brackets off and clean all them up and paint them up really nice. I'll blast them, have them all blasted, and then put them back on so nice and clean. This lower pan, this lower valance, I'm going to call it, that's black. I'm going to get that off of there, obviously. And, you know, probably spruce that up a bit, give her a sand and straighten her up if she needs any straightening. And paint that again, nice satin black. Just a little shit like that. I don't want to get too carried away with this car. Like I say, I want to have it back on the road for May. So we got what? February, March, April. I got 3 months to get this car on the road, and I want the Model A on the road for June. So, and of course, we got to all remember, I've got my 58 Ford that's on the road right now. So everything's good. Okay, well, let's disassemble some more. What else can we do on a Sunday? Not much, right? Okay, well, obviously got the grill, all the panels, as you can see, laying here. Going behind out. All this stuff I'm going to clean up, paint it all up really nice satin black. So I said, I'm just getting stuff ready so I can... Now the front sheet metal, I'm going to pull it off as one big unit. I'm going to pull the hood when the time comes. Then I'm going to pull sheet metal as one unit. So, and of course while it's off, I'll put some new rubber bushings under the rad support and stuff like that. But I'll clean this kind of stuff up, paint it up, you know, good latch bar, all that stuff. So, getting there slowly. This is good. It's a good day. Just enjoying myself. The bumper, like I say, is not in the greatest shape. I mean, the end pieces are pretty nice. It's not dented or nothing, just the center piece is really bad. You know, I mean, I wish I had the money right now to chrome that, but I don't. You know, I just like it while things are off just to get it done. But that bumper there that you see at my local chrome shop, now it comes apart, obviously it's in 3 pieces. That would probably cost me anywhere between, $1,500 and $2,000, believe it or not. That's how much prices have gone up. So, but it's all good. Nothing a little all polish won't clean up. The car's got the patina look anyway. But I say there are a couple little things I am going to chrome, just little accent pieces here and there, just to make it look kind of cool. But other than that, I'm going to polish up most of the chrome and leave it. So I'll see what else I can take off this bad boy. Or at least loosen up. Alright, so I got all the chrome bits and pieces off and out of the way. And I've squirted some WD-40 up underneath the nuts and bolts to get the front sheet metal off. Leave that sit for a while. Like I say, I want to keep the car running and moving. So that's basically what I wanted to take off there. I bought this brand new for the car because the old one's busted. So remember I was saying I want to take a few little bits to the chrome shop. I got that, and I got a new set of headlight rings or doors, whatever you prefer to call them. I got those. So this piece here I want to take down to the chrome shop. So that kind of stuff across the top is new. And then the other bits and pieces of chrome, I took them off just because I don't want them to get damaged when I take sheet metal off. I'm going to polish those up really nice the best I can, you know. So it's easier to do them off the car. then on. So basically, a couple bolts on the rod support undoes that. A couple bolts near the back, some bolts underneath, and boom. Obviously, I got to take the radiator out and drain that, but then the nose comes off. I've unplugged all the wiring harness, and then I just pull the engine tranny. Nice, easy job. So, like I say, that's still a week or so away, but right now I'm gonna yank the rear bumper off the car, because the rear bumper. Let me close this door. I left the door open. Geez, I must be born in a barn, eh? Probably. Anyway, letting the heat out. The rear bumper has got, these aren't the factory exact reverse lights, but the owner gave me, the old owner, he gave me a brand new set of NOS reverse lights for this car. But I just hate the look of them on the back of this car. I can't stand it. I don't like them. So I bought this panel, brand new. They reproduced this panel. I bought it without the holes cut out in it. So I'm going to pull the rear bumper off, clean it up really nice. Again, clean the brackets up, paint them up. And I'm going to put the nicer panel on without the reverse lights. I don't think I'll get that back together today, by the time I get it apart and I start painting brackets. But I just want to get it off there today. Try and get all that kind of shit off. So, yeah, it's going to be good. Fun car. This is going to be the all-year-round cruiser. Going to drive it every single day. Rain, shine, everything. Just not in the snow. Not going to take her out in the snow, that's all. So, anyway, I think we'll start taking that off and see what's involved. Okay, one rear bumper off. And, as normal, look at all the dirt and shit on the ground. Wow. And, as you can see, look what's going on here. See that? This is where someone has put a hook around here and tried to yank this sucker out of somewhere. It's all twisted and bent to shit. So, I'm just going to cut. I can buy a piece of angle tubing that's identical to that. So I'm just going to cut that out of there. Not today, but I'm going to get a piece first, get the measurements, cut it out, and maybe next Sunday, that's going to be my goal, is to replace that and get that fixed up. Can't leave that like that. Just don't want to leave it like that. Alright. So that's off. So now we'll move forward. Okay guys, I think that is going to be it for today. It's 5:30. You can see out the window behind me here. Where's the window? Right there. It's pretty dark outside, so got done what I wanted to get done. I removed the rear bumper. Obviously we found we need to repair. I removed the tail lights. Excuse me. You can see I'm full of dust. I took this little V emblem off. These are stainless. They're going to polish up nice. All this stainless polishes up nice. The Chevrolet emblem is beautiful shape, but this was pitted up, so I want to rechrome that one with the one for the front, too. Yeah. So I'm very happy with where I got today. I removed the tail lights. If you're wondering why I'm removing all that, because I've got a whole new wiring harness, which I think I told you guys about, which is sitting right here. So I'm just removing that stuff so it's easier to get into the wire. There it is, American Auto Wire. Got the 15 plus circuit one there. So that'll handle all my needs and more. So that's it. So the old beast, I got to take her out of the shop now because it's Monday tomorrow. And it might be my day off. But the boys are here working and I got to get the car out of the way. So I'll put her out in the carport, leave her sit until next week. And maybe next week we'll do a little more, take a few more little things off it. Like I say, I'm not ready to take it apart, the engine and all that, till the following week. Then I'm ready. So, you might get a Sunday Funday next week, you might not. But anyway, that being said, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. Tell your friends, tell your enemies, tell everybody. The more viewers, the better. Okay guys, hey. Hope you had a good Christmas and New Year's. Hope everything's going good. And I hope you guys are out there working on your cars. Catch you next time.